Hey, fur friends! Welcome to Bing's Bistro! Hey, Bing's Bistro! So, my cats are such food hounds. Anytime there's a meal served around here, they're always wanting to see what I have on my plate. Half the time they don't eat it, but they want to try it and they want to smell it and they want to see what it's all about. So I decided to try this, Bing's Bistro, where I'm going to have my cats try anything under the sun. And we'll see if they eat it or not. Hey, we have our first customer, Joey. Now, we all know my cats love cheese. Let's see what kind of cheese they like. Today it's provolone. Hey, Joey. 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 Busy watching yourself. Joey? I guess that's a no. Hey, I've got two customers, Luna and Jojo. Hey guys. Today we have bacon. I know Jojo loves bacon. Luna? Luna loves bacon. Let's try a smaller piece, Jojo. I think that's a winner. Bacon! Hey, we got another customer, Pumi! Let's try grated cheese. Hey, I think that's a hit. What do you think, Cher? You want to try some too? Hey, Cher. Cher likes it too. I think that's a hit. What? Hey, for friends, Catman here. Welcome back to another edition of Catman Cooks. Today we're going to make cat cakes. Little molds shaped like a cat. Found these online from Charlie Cat, actually through Amazon. Pretty cool little thing. Anyway, really easy. They have their own recipe. You can use any cake mix that you want. Got some of the ingredients right here. Let's get to cooking. And here are the ingredients. You're going to need some flour, sugar, baking soda, cornstarch, vanilla, some unsalted butter, because we're going to add the salt to it, and some frosting. And you're going to need a couple bowls, because we're going to mix all the dry ingredients first, and then the wet ingredients, we'll mix that together later. We'll show you how that's going to happen here in a little bit. Let's get mixing. Okay, for our dry ingredients, in a separate bowl, we're going to put in 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup cornstarch, 2 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons baking powder, and 1 1/3 cups granulated sugar. And then we're just going to sort of sift that or lightly mix that together. Something like that. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to do 2 sticks or 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. and 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. That's a lot of vanilla. And 8 eggs. And then we'll cream that all together. Okay, now for the Charlie Cat recipe, and you follow theirs, we're going to add a little bit of the dry, a little bit of the wet, a little bit of the dry, a little bit of the wet, and mix it all together slowly. So I'm going to put in about 1/3 of the dry ingredients. And 1/3 of the wet. Slowly mix that together. So the Charlie Cat batter is a little thicker. Supposedly it's going to make it release from the mold a little easier. And what you want to do is you want to fill each one just to about the bottom of the feet here. Not all the way full because it's going to puff up a bit when you bake it. I think that might be just a little too full, but we're going to go with it. Fill up the rest of it. These go into an oven preheated to 350 degrees. It's a good idea to put on the top of a cookie sheet because as you see I overfilled these guys, they'll probably just spill out. Cookie sheet will catch all the mess. Into the oven they go. We'll check back in a little bit. Here they are out of the oven. I baked them for 30 minutes. 25-30 is what the recipe calls for. Best test is take a skewer or something and poke it through the center. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. Now before you turn the molds out, you're going to want to cut them flat so you have a flat surface to turn them out on. And voila! There we have it. Now we're going to frost this guy and decorate it. See what it all turns out like. And now it's time to frost the cat. So I'm going to use chocolate frosting and try to make this one look like Bing. Wish me luck. Hey Bing, how you doing? Voila, finished product. Guess I shouldn't quit my day job just yet. Anyway, thanks for watching, fur friends. Have a wonderful day. See you next week. Bye-bye. What do you think, Bing? Yeah.